Hi, I'm Darrell. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And if you're involved in a Zofran case, you've heard me talking about that on these videos for the last few weeks. Zofran is a drug that's sometimes prescribed for women for morning sickness when they're pregnant. And there have been some complications involving birth defects in Zofran. So if you make a claim against the makers of Zofran, GlaxoSmithKline, if you file a complaint against them, if you hire a lawyer to represent you for that case, how much work is it for you, the client? Well, number one, your child would actually be the client, but let's face it, you'd be the one doing the work. So the answer to that question is probably not very much, because your lawyer would have to do most of the work. So you would have to provide your attorney with some information, whatever he asks for, whatever his protocol asks for. About the case. Just basic information about you, your address, normal stuff like that, your doctors, your pharmacy, because he has to confirm in writing that you did take Zofran during the first 3 months of your pregnancy and that you did have a baby with a birth defect, like a heart defect, hole in the heart, heart murmur, cleft palate, cleft lip. Some have had missing kidneys. And occasionally, very rarely though, some have been born with cerebral palsy. So how much work is it for you? You have to provide your attorney with the information he needs. And then, quite honestly, folks, there's very little left for you to do until that case reaches its final stages. And then probably not much there either. Hopefully these cases could be settled, but you never know. But the work is for your attorney. So I would not be hesitant about making a claim for my child in Zofran just because I thought it might be a lot of work. Hello, this is Darrell. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And if you've taken Zofran during the first 3 months of your pregnancy and you had a child with a birth defect like what we're talking about, I'd love to help you with it, folks. Call me for a free appointment or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.